Start lowering your stomach fat with this particular bedtime drink. The entire process of lowering your body weight usually starts by reduction of the amount of calories you eat and growing the amount of calories you burn. The best way for burning calories is exercise, and therefore besides maintaining a healthy diet, you'd also need to start exercising. Despite the fact that weight loss is chiefly according to your level of activity and the amount you eat, should you increase the amount of consuming particular foods, you are able to improve your metabolic process rate. You are able to accelerate your metabolic process easily and get rid of your stomach fat no matter how old you are or sex to eat this bedtime drink produced from the next revitalizing ingredients. Lemons cleanse your organism and raise the metabolic process simultaneously. Because of the citric acidity they contain, lemons are extra super with regards to stomach fat burning. Consume lemons because they all behave as liver cleansers and digestive aid. Preparation: take half a cucumber, 1 apple, and something lemon, 3 to 4 basil leaves, half a lot of parsley, cup of water. Put the ingredients inside a juicer and blend everything well. Because of this recipe, you'll be able to lower your stomach fat really fast. Drink this beverage for 3 days consecutively prior to going to rest, as well as your stomach fat will disappear without depriving whatsoever. Additionally, you shouldn't eat anything after 6 p.m. In situation you're feeling too hungry, come with an apple or some berries, but don't consume another thing. If you wish to reduce more stomach fat, continue this for many more days. You will find that you'll be very pleased with the outcomes.